show because I love movies and video games, and that's what I do.
What are your favorite things to make with pixel art?
I always like making movie characters, and I like to make my favorite foods.
And who provides your materials?
Well, it's part of my team. A lot of thanks to Grant, Sam, and Charlie, and Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith has supplied us with many beads, probably over 2,000.
Do you like pixel art?
Yes, I love pixel art. It's very fun, and I'm glad that Mr. Smith supports it.
Why do you do pixel art?
I do it to hang out with my friends, have fun, and I love pixel art too because I can make whatever's on my mind, like video game characters, movie characters, favorite foods, favorite desserts.
What is your best make?
Like my best pixel art?
Yeah.
Well, one of my favorite ones was the burger, and I also like the Sonic.
Why do you do pixel art?
This is a tough one. Probably because at first when I did the pixel art project, not Teen Sour, it like with Mr. Smith, it was like the best thing I did in here, so I just wanted to keep doing it.
What is your best make?
My best make? I mean, I've made some pretty cool things. I would say my pizza because it took me like 3 tries. It's really tough with the adversity you face here.
What do you like to make the most?
My favorite thing to make is probably the things that are in the back of your mind that are like, oh wow, this is so cool. Like the things where that surprises you, but you realize it's the coolest thing.
Why do you do pixel art?
I think it's because it's fun. I like it because it's fun and I can hang out with my friends.
What is your best make?
Probably my soccer ball.
What do you like to make the best? Or the most?
Probably like food.